Breaking news. An historic storm is about to make landfall. Hurricane Sandy taking direct aim at southern New Jersey right now.
That's a wind gust right there. Well, that's a wind gust.
These are I've got the Nassau County Sheriff holding me onto the boardwalk.
Yeah, I'm going to let you kind of take some of the sand off of your face.
Timing those waves out, watching that water move in. He's been in these situations a lot, but...
Okay, whoa! Whoa, hey guys! Whoa!
Sound, chicken about this, but as soon as we saw this and we saw it dangling, we started running from 57.
Uh-oh, we just had some glass breaking out here. We just had glass breaking.
There's a shirtless man jogging wearing a horse mask.
Hurricane Sandy was a rather unique storm. Most of the hurricanes that we get in the Atlantic move up the coast until they reach Virginia or so, and then they begin to move out to sea. Interestingly, it had the lowest pressure that we've ever recorded in the New York metropolitan area, or New Jersey for that matter, something around 945 millibars. We have no record of any hurricane having such a low pressure, so it was very intense in that way in terms of the central pressure. Damage was cataclysmic.
Experience with Hurricane Sandy goes pretty deep. I has had this house for about 6 or 7 years, and when the hurricane hit, we had about 1 or 2 feet of water in it, so we had to completely redo our house. I had 5 houses right along the beachfront there, and 4 of them were completely demolished.
Hurricane Sandy was a really destructive storm. As you can see, we have rebuilt some of the boardwalk, but a lot of work still needs to be done.